Things I learned while learning partial fractions, integration of partial fractions and partial fractions. Well, pag partial fractions, simple. Breaking down your task. Ganun lang yun. Dinedecompose mo yung task mo. At minsan, habang dinedecompose mo yung task mo, minsan namamali ka. So, yun. So, natututunan na akong tignan yun. Pero ang kagandahan dun, pag in-integrate mo siya, nandun na yun eh. Gagamitin mo na lang yung ln. Talaga mo na, you put the integral sign and then yung ln. Pero mahirap doon yung magbe-break ka ng fractions. No? Kasi yun naman ang purpose yun eh. Computer science, sa project, breaking down your task. Breaking down a big task into a smaller task na manageable. So, yun yung natutunan natin ngayon sa learning partial fractions and integrating partial fractions. So, yun lang po.